again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. I hope everybody's doing fine and well, having a great day. Welcome if you are new. So it's been a while. I have had to take a little bit of time out. I don't think I really need to get into it, but yeah, I had to take a little bit of time out, and I'm going to try and get back into it over the next couple of weeks and see if I can figure out some kind of routine with my uploads, because last year was quite a hectic year for me. A lot happened that wasn't planned, but I'm hoping this year will be a lot more peaceful and a lot less going on, and I can kind of concentrate on me and what's best for me. So I thought I'd do something quick and easy today and unbox my January gel box. I did miss the December gel box because it arrived at my address when I was away. So yeah, I do apologise for anybody that might have been waiting for me to upload the December gel box. But if you really wanted to find it, you know, there's other people that do it on YouTube and Instagram. So just a quick easy one today, and hopefully tomorrow I can crack on and start doing what I love again. So for anybody that's perhaps new and not heard of Gelbox, they are a UK brand. They do ship worldwide. The gels are HEMA free, massive 20ml bottles, and these boxes, they just come with 4 gels and a couple of little accessories, and sometimes you get a little sticker card that shows you a kind of design you can do with the gels that are inside it. I've done these every month I think for the last 2 years. So we've got a kind of sparkler, very fitting for New Year. Every month is a different theme. Oh, what's this? A cure for longing. Love is happiness, a spark inside. Live deliberately and choose boldly, then you have arrived. Okay, I like that. And that door is just a slightly ajar. Okay. So this is what the packaging looks like when it arrives. So I'm just gonna give you a quick sneak peek like I always do, and then I'll just slide it off to the left. Oh, I can see stickers and glitter and stuffs. So just let me get some of my paper stuff, protect my desk, even though I've kind of knackered it. It's not even a year old, this desk. Bring you in just a little bit now. Right, so the first thing we've got is these stickers. Oh, I've been wanting to try these stickers. So these are the kind of French smile line. This black line is like your smile line, but it's kind of ombre'd off. Very cool. We'll have to give them a go at some point. I did nearly buy some of them. We've got a 2025 keyring. Oh, I remember this from last year. We got one of these in last year's box saying 2024, obviously. Okay. We've got your usual nail file. Love these. My favourite nail files. And we've got a glitter. I like these little pots of glitter because they're really, really ultra fine, tiny little hexagons. Bombastic. I love these little jars, these little glass jars as well. And lastly, we've got the gels. Oh, I think this is the first time we've ever had a gel box with all 4 glittery gels. So we'll just have a quick look. So this one is called Sparkling Jewels, and it's oh, this, I can tell already this is a reflective gel. Now these look really thick, guys. This box has been frozen for over a week, so I'm just going to put my heat coaster on, stick these on the heat coaster so we can swatch them. Yeah, I think they were in the post room for about a week because obviously my door was locked and I don't have anywhere outside where parcels can be left. So these were left in the post room for about a week, so they are a bit frozen. Right, next we have got Nightshade. That blue one is definitely reflective. Oh, and I think this could possibly be reflective as well. Stick that on my heat coaster and get these warmed up a bit. Oh no, we've got the name missing off this one. I will look on Gelbox Instagram and find out what this one's called. This is like a pinky purple. This is nice. Oh, so this is like a It's like a creamy purple with a bit of glitter in it. That's different. That is different. Normally gels with glitter in, they're really jelly like, but that's quite a creamy colour for a glitter. And lastly we've got Raise Your Glass. Oh, this is nice. So we've got a really ultra fine gold and we've got a pink and a blue glitter in there as well. Going to give these a quick swatch anyway. So let these warm up for a second and I'll be back. Right, so they've warmed up a little bit, not a lot but a little bit. So we're going to start with this blue. So it is definitely a reflective. I'll show you at the end what it looks like. But yeah, it's definitely a reflective. What was this one called again? Sparkling Jewels. These reflective gels are brilliant if you're going out to a party or just anywhere where there's going to be flashing lights and stuff. Really opaque that as well for one coat. Holographic, very pretty colour. Next we have got Nightshade. I don't think I have got a reflective black. This is like a yeah, it's exactly that. It's a reflective black. Yeah, I've never had a black reflective. I love that. Look at that sparkle. Right, next we will do the one with no name. It's like a pinky purple, isn't it? Really opaque colour. But it's got ultra fine glitter. That is beautiful. It's showing a little bit more pink on camera than what it is. That's very unique. My kind of colour. And lastly we have got Raise Your Glass. Yeah, I'll give that a second coat in a minute. Completely transparent with gold, pink, blue. That's really unique as well. Yeah, that would look good over a white. Right guys, there we go. That is them 4 colours swatched. I love this. This is really nice. It's really subtle. So these two, that's them just kind of under my recording lights. Super sparkly. And I'll just show you what they look like with the flash on. Oh wow, look at them. Oh gosh, they're really reflective. They've got a lot of reflective bits in them. I like this black. I haven't got a black reflective like that. Gosh, they're reflective, aren't they? I know they're supposed to be, but yeah, they've got a lot of reflective bits in them. And you can see the hollow, especially in this black. Wow, look at that sparkle. They're beautiful. Yeah, I quite like the palette they've gone with this month. Very pretty. So there we go guys, that is it for today. Quick recap on everything that came in the box. We got the stickers and the glitter and the nail file, the keyring and the gels. Like I said, just a quick one today guys. I just want to say as well, I appreciate all of you that have took the time to private message me to check that I'm alright. I really do appreciate it. And for those of you that I haven't yet got back to, I do apologise because it was quite a lot. But I am fine. I just needed a couple of weeks out. I'm back, so let's get back into it and let's make this year the best one yet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget guys, I've got a 15% discount code, I think it is, for Gelbox. It will all be down in my description box. They do ship worldwide. But yeah, anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.